Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn Refugee, written by Brian Bilston. This poem is very special and different from other poems. It talks about the refugee crisis, which is a very important issue in today's world. Now let's see what kind of a poem is this. This poem is called a reverse poem. A reverse poem has two faces or two sides. When we read it from top to bottom, it gives one meaning. When we read it from bottom to top, it gives a completely opposite meaning. So, students, this poem has two voices, one voice full of fear and hatred, another voice full of empathy and humanity. Now, let's begin with poem. The first segment of the poem, lack of sympathy. Refugees don't need help, anyone's life could change. In this part, the speaker sounds very heartless. He says refugees do not need help and ignores the fact that life can change for anyone. Now let's see the second part of the poem, stereotyping. Here, refugees are called lazy and dishonest. This shows prejudice and wrong thinking. The third part of the poem, fear and terror labels. This chunk shows fear. Refugees are wrongly shown as criminals and terrorists. Fourth part of the poem, rejection. The speaker clearly says refugees are not welcome and should go back. This shows hatred and rejection. Now let's see what is the fifth segment of the poem. Selfishness and walls. Here, the speaker refuses to share food or homes. The wall is a symbol of barriers and fear. Now let's see what is the sixth part of the poem, closed mind. This part shows a narrow mindset. The speaker refuses to see the world differently. Students, now let's see what is the conclusion. In the first phase, the poem shows how society judges refugees using fear and stereotypes. This first part of the poem we have read from top to bottom. Now let's move to the phase 2, that is reverse reading from bottom to top. First chunk of the poem, that means first part of the poem, open mind. Now the poem asks us to think differently and keep an open mind. Now second part of the poem, this part clearly says refugees are people like us. Everyone deserves dignity. The third part of the poem, sharing. Instead of walls, we should share food, homes, and countries. The fourth part of the poem, no way back. Refugees cannot go back to danger, so they should be welcomed. Fifth part of the poem, removing labels. This chunk removes all false accusations. Refugees are not criminals. Sixth part of the poem, shared humanity. Anyone could be a refugee, so we must show kindness and help. Now let's see what is the conclusion of reverse reading. When read in reverse, the poem becomes a message of compassion, acceptance, and humanity. Students, now let us see what is the moral of the poem. The moral of the poem is do not judge people by fear or rumors. Anyone can become a refugee, so treat everyone with kindness. Thank you, students. Always remember the world can be looked at another way. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class. Until then, bye.